a day in my mind. Sit to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now. Let your edge out. Put some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me one more. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of it. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Not gonna be a nuisance, it's just urgent.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, join the crew. And if you've been here, mwah, love you so much. I'm currently working guys, and I'm going to get my nails done. Yes, going to get my nails done, and the lighting is not so great, and let's just say I don't really know where I'm going, but it's fine. We're gonna figure it out because my friend is taking me there because she knows the place. And then what else? Oh, so today is a Saturday. It's Saturday, and what? Yeah, I'll try and do a outfit of the day. Please stay tuned. I'm back on campus now. I'm back on campus, and these I'll show you guys. I can't show you. These are my nails. They are done. I'm trying to find like a cute nice spot to do a outfit of the day. Hi guys, welcome to a new day. What's the day today? It's a Sunday. I'm gonna get fonder because we have tests next week. I'm so crusty.
Of course I had to make this song about you right now. Yeah. I told you I was gonna make this song about you right here. Yeah. Hey, bad little thing, yeah. True religion jeans, yeah. Super clean, yeah. What's good with you and me, yeah. Chasing dreams, yeah. Hit me when you're free, yeah. Sex me.
So I lost my student card, and now we found it.
Aniko serious why Komandi sake ko serious ngisaba ngilazele le coat ngiyalizele sengincikiwe gqithe Aniko serious ngiyasikole yaza ngingithandi it's not giving dean's list Kaxa kuba esana attend ndiyageza one attend It's giving tired scientist a back.
Girl, before you go, yeah, there's a few things you should know. I'm still struggling with the do's and don'ts, but I felt compelled to let you know that you a bad little thing. True religion jeans, girl, I see you. Super clean, yo, what's good with you and me? Oh, what's good? Chasing dreams, yo, hit me when you're free, yo. Free, sex me, that's just what I need, baby. Oh, it's just what I needed. Oh, it's just what you got what I need, and I got what you need. When I look at you, I see someone I don't deserve. Then I pretend like my vision blurred. Is it love? I'm searching for a different word. Looked at me, said when it disoccurred. Soon as I seen you in mini skirt. Soon as you hit me with smile first. Soon as I heard how your mind works. Me and my girl, we just diverged. We just went our separate ways.
Okay, so guys, break is over now, so I can like hold back mine. I don't know, for some reason I don't like these when they're like this. I just like pulling them, yeah, because they're not all in my face and stuff. But then I'm gonna be that girl for a day. break is over. I'm going back to raise. Today's break was fun. We're dissecting an earthworm. Next week we are dissecting a fish. Disgusting stuff, but very interesting because bye guys. Hi guys, so it's a new day and I am going grocery shopping today. And then what did I do today? So I attended a few classes and now I'm going grocery shopping. I'm gonna go with a friend and I'm gonna leave these because I'm going with someone. My lips are dry. I have lip gloss. I'm just lazy to get it, and the one I can find is red. I don't feel like putting on red lip. Why do I look like this? I'm so tired. Like I look like I need a lot of sleep. But anyways, yeah. I'm just gonna go to Tiger Valley and then from Tiger Valley to Willow Bridge. So yeah, you guys are coming grocery shopping with me for the first time. I'm really scared to vlog in public, but then I hope like this goes well and I don't get my phone snatched because the things that are happening lately. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna change this up. I feel like I tried doing an OTD. I'm just gonna change this top because I'm just gonna get it on top of this chair, guys. This is what I'm wearing, right? I'm wearing this. It's nice. It's simple. I like looking like this on campus. I have a lot of tops that are like basic vest, whatever. So this is it. This is my outfit. Now this is what it looks like. Waist way. Then I'm just gonna like wear this cropped thing, jersey thing. Now I look okay, I think. I think this is like okay to run errands. I like it. Hi guys, I bought. Bye guys, I'll see you when I'm shopping.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'll pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for hoping it won't be like that. Hoping that you'll make a change so that I can stay. So when it ain't working,
None. And when
nobody else but you. And I used to be on my relationship. Switch, and it out so damn quick.
feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it
Hi guys, it's a new day. Guys, let me show you something. My skin. But anyways, let's put this back down. Wait, was it like that? I don't know. But anyways, so today's a Thursday, right? And I have practicals. What time is it? It's 12, Manji. So it's 12 and I have practicals at 2. I'm just gonna have breakfast. Actually, I should be speaking while I'm doing breakfast. So wait a minute. I magically happened to run out of space. This is not my hair for the day, by the way. I'm gonna fix this. I'm just gonna have breakfast real quick. And then I'm gonna have breakfast real quick, and then when I'm done, I'm going to prep. I'm gonna do my hair, and then we are going to prep. So, see you during prep, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Because we are not allowed to actually use our phones in the lab. I just do it for you guys, and also for myself, because
feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I love myself. Don't need much to fuck my
like a glance from the past. You can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster of what.
Okay. If you're outer space people, we're here to bring you in the space, out of the space, but we're all doing spacey things.
Okay.
And that was it for the day. We'll check back with you. Let's do this again, because we know you want the space. We hold the space. We are our space. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
feel like I'm in the space.
Yes. That was amazing. Best outro.
this is the end of the vlog, by the way.